Miura City is a coastal city located in Kanagawa Prefecture, Japan, on the Miura Peninsula, about 50 kilometers south of Tokyo. It experiences a mild climate, typical of coastal areas, with relatively mild winters and warm, humid summers. This makes it an ideal location for outdoor activities throughout the year. Known for its picturesque landscapes, it offers a mix of natural beauty, historical sites, and a traditional atmosphere. The city is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean on three sides, providing stunning views, particularly from areas like the Jogashima Island, which is famous for its lighthouse and scenic coastal walking paths. Jogashima Lighthouse is the fourth oldest Western-style lighthouse to be built in Japan. Miura Coast is known for its stunning natural beauty, with rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and clear blue waters. It stretches along the southern edge of the peninsula, offering panoramic views of Tokyo Bay and the Pacific Ocean. Miura windmills were developed by Japanese engineer Kenji Miura. These windmills are designed with a unique aesthetic and functional structure, differing from conventional horizontal axis wind turbines. These windmills are designed for longevity, with materials and construction methods chosen to withstand various weather conditions. These turbines typically feature a sleek, modern design with curved blades and a minimalistic structure that blends well into their surroundings. These windmills are engineered to provide a good balance between energy production and efficiency, particularly in areas with irregular wind patterns. Miura windmills are part of ongoing efforts to improve wind energy technology, especially in regions where space, weather, or wind conditions present challenges for conventional wind turbine designs. They reflect the pursuit of more accessible and effective renewable energy solutions. Miura City, a harmonious blend of lush landscapes, scenic coastlines, and diverse ecosystems. It is a haven for nature lovers, with its stunning views, pristine beaches, and green spaces that provide a peaceful retreat from the bustling city life.